Before Bitcoin was worth trillions, before Elon Musk tweets, ETFs, or crypto empires, there was one exchange that ruled them all, Mt. Gox. It handled 70% of all Bitcoin trades on Earth, and then it vanished. Hundreds of thousands of coins disappeared, billions in value gone overnight. This is the story of the day Bitcoin almost died, and how it came back stronger than anyone believed. It was 2010. Bitcoin was a nerd's experiment. Digital money for a digital dream. No banks, no middlemen, no governments, just code. And one small website in Japan, originally made to trade Magic the Gathering cards, became the center of the crypto universe. That site was Mt. Gox, short for Magic the Gathering Online Exchange. The name was weird, but it worked. Within a year, millions of dollars were flowing through it. Bitcoin was no longer a hobby, it was a revolution. Mark Karpeles, a quiet, chubby French coder, bought Mt. Gox in 2011. He turned it into a crypto powerhouse. Traders from all over the world signed up. The price of Bitcoin exploded from $1 to over $1,000. For a moment, it felt like the future had arrived. Bitcoin millionaires were born overnight, but under Mt. Gox's flashy surface, something was deeply broken. Withdrawals started slowing. Users complained they couldn't access their coins. Karpeles said it was technical issues. Behind the scenes, chaos was brewing. The exchange's servers were outdated. Its security was weak. Hackers were inside the system, silently siphoning coins away one by one. But no one noticed, because the price kept climbing. February 2014, Mt. Gox suddenly froze all withdrawals. Then the website vanished. Blank screen. Gone. When the truth came out, the numbers were horrifying. 850,000 Bitcoins missing. At that time, worth $450 million. Today, that's over $30 billion. Investors lost everything. The dream of a decentralized currency, ISO, was dying on its own battlefield. Panic spread like wildfire. Bitcoin's price crashed 50% in a week. The media declared, Bitcoin is dead. Regulators circled. Banks distanced themselves. And Mark Karpeles, once called the king of Bitcoin, was arrested in Japan. Fraud, negligence, theft. His empire built on code had collapsed under its own weight. Thousands of investors were left in ruin. Years of legal battles followed. Mt. Gox's servers were seized. Wallets analyzed. Some coins were recovered. Most were gone forever. Karpeles said he was innocent, that he was just too naive. But naivety is expensive in crypto, especially when trust is the only currency that matters. Everyone thought it was over, but Bitcoin didn't die. It adapted. New exchanges rose. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, stronger security, better systems. The shadow of Mt. Gox shaped the future of crypto forever. It became the lesson every new trader had to learn. Not your keys, not your coins. The Mt. Gox collapse wasn't just a crime or a failure. It was a test, the moment that proved Bitcoin could survive anything, because every great system, before it becomes strong, must be broken first. And on that day, the world didn't just lose an exchange, it gained a revolution hardened by fire.